In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit template in Brevo. By the end, you'll feel confident finding a template, updating both its settings and design, and deciding when to publish your changes. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. Click the official result to head to the site. Once you're there, sign in with your account. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual so you land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to Marketing, then Templates, and select Templates again. This is where all your email templates live. Find the one you want to update. Before you touch the original, it's a good idea to duplicate it. Duplicating creates a safe copy you can edit without affecting what's currently in use. Give the duplicate a clear name so your team knows it's the new version. Next, click Edit next to the template you're working on. You'll see options that control both the overall settings and the design. If you need to adjust the subject line, sender name, or other general email settings, go to Setup. Keep your subject concise and aligned with your brand voice, and add a pre-header if you use one. Make sure the sender name is recognizable. That builds trust and helps deliverability. To change the layout and content, switch to Design and choose Edit the email content. This opens the editor where you can work with sections, columns, and content blocks. You can rearrange the structure, update headers and footers, and drop in text, images, buttons, and dividers. Keep your formatting consistent with your brand colors and fonts, and watch spacing so the email is easy to scan. When adding images, use optimized files and include descriptive alt text for accessibility. For buttons and links, use clear calls to action and double-check URLs. If your team already uses personalization, make sure any placeholders are correct and test that they display as expected. Make your desired changes in the editor, reviewing both desktop and mobile views if available, so your design looks good across devices. Aim for readable font sizes, strong contrast, and sufficient padding around tappable elements on mobile. When you're done, choose how to save. Click Save and Activate to save and make the new version live. This replaces the previous version for upcoming sends and automations. If you're not ready to publish, click Save and Quit to save your progress without activating it yet, which is helpful if you need approvals or want to revisit the design later. That's it. You've edited a Brevo template safely and confidently, from setup through design to activation.